everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe if you would like. Alright, today I'm just gonna put some makeup on because I just really feel like I need it. I haven't done my makeup in a minute. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just picking my dry skin. Excuse me, sorry. I've been doing pretty good so far. It's been a good day. I decided I needed a break day from at-home workouts. So Jonah and I made pancakes and eggs for breakfast. It was delicious. And now I'm sipping on a little drinky that he made me. It tastes pretty decent. So yeah. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face as per usual. So it was my weekend off. We went for a few walks. It was nice. We did an at-home workout. We did Insanity. That was insane. So I figured I'd take it easy today. Life's been pretty good. I was gonna film our at-home workouts, but I didn't like the way it was filmed. I don't know, I'm just weird about it. Maybe next time I'll figure something out and you guys can see what we do in our workouts. But for now, I'm just gonna do a little makeup. And then for my eyes, I need to use some primer. Muta, what the heck? He made it all the way up to the top. Let's take a look at what he's doing. So there's a closet. And he managed his way on top of the doors. Yeah, that can't be safe. I don't know how he's gonna get back down from there. Oh, and he made it up the top. So there's like a little space on top of our closet. Well, Jonah's closet, because my closet is, in our bedroom, and his closet is in my beauty room, just because I have so many clothes. So he has to come in here to get his stuff, which is fine. I need to start selling some of my clothes, maybe, possibly. I know that what's that app called? Depop. I notice a lot of people go on there and just like put their clothing items on there, and people that like the items can easily purchase it. I think that would be cool, because recently I ordered a Champion workout set, and it's a size medium, but it's really tight fitting, really snug. I would suggest ordering a size up if you're ordering from Champion. I ordered it off the Walmart website. The only reason why I did that is because I watched a new Shane Dawson documentary, and he was talking about it, and it just like sparked my interest. I was like, oh, I do remember Walmart being the cheaper brand for Champion, and like they're overselling it in other stores in the mall. Anyway, I ordered that and it was just too small for me. Too small. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my foundation on, because lately when I do put my makeup on, I have been just putting eyeshadow on, but I just feel better with my foundation being on, if that makes sense. I just like it better. So recently, I made a TikTok. If you would like, feel free to follow me on TikTok. I'll leave the information down below in the description. It's pretty fun. It's something to do when you're bored and you want to burn off some steam because you dance and whatnot. It's fun. It does take a minute to learn some of the dances though, not gonna lie. And then if you're picky like me, like a perfectionist, it takes a minute. With my last videos I made on TikTok, I made a makeup look type video, and then I wasn't about to do a million tries on the other video I did, so I just posted it. Why waste the time? Because then you'll spend like 2 hours or something trying to come up with the perfect dance. I've been doing that. I tried talking Jonah into doing a TikTok with me. He's not having it, so it's worth the try. I tried. I asked him. And it was a no-go, so. Alright, so my base is on. Let's get to the concealer. I'm going to be using the last of this Bare Minerals, whatever, Bare Skin concealer. I did order concealer today, so I hope I get it soon. I ordered it off of Ulta. I wanted to try something different, so I ordered the Tarte. Yeah, it was a Tarte concealer, the Shape Tape or whatever. So I'm gonna try that out just because I've noticed a lot of people use it and I figured it's a good brand to get. Maybe it'll be good. It'll be good for me. Try something different, you know? So I noticed I have a few new subscribers. I wanted to thank you for joining me on this journey. It's fun. I like new friends, so welcome. Hi. Alright, I think that's blended in really nicely. I am going to use setting powder. So, which one should I use? I'm gonna try this Maybelline one just because I've been using the Airspine a lot, so I'll just switch it up, put that onto my little cap, a generous amount, and why not? I think I'm going to use my little Real Techniques sponge and just kind of bake it out a bit, you know? Just because I don't do this often, and I tried it not long ago and I really liked the result of it, so I'm just gonna do that again today. Which is gonna be trapped up there. I don't know how I'm gonna get him down, but when it comes down to it, I'll just call for my hubby. He'll handle it. I should just call him now. I'm very aggressive with putting this finish powder on. But so yeah, so I went on the Ulta website today just because stores are closed, so I just ordered that concealer and it comes with a sponge, so that should be interesting, and that's a really good plus. It was on sale for like, I want to say $20, and then I ordered, what else did I, self-tanner foam with that from the Ulta website, which I cannot wait for. Super excited. I'm a big fan of the self tanner just because it's just like subtle, you know, it's nothing too crazy. It's better than actual tanning beds. It's just better for your skin, and then like it progresses over time. It's like you get darker after 3 hours. So I'm trying the Ulta Beauty brand self tanner, so that should be fun. All right, next I'm going to bronze, put some blush, highlight, and then voila, I'll be right back. Okay, so I bronzed, highlighted, blush, the whole, setting the face. So it's time for eyeshadow. Let's get to it. Boots is still hanging out above the closet. He's a kitty. I'm sure he'll find himself his way down. He'll find a way. The way he got up there, he'll, Alright, so I'm going to start off with setting my eyelid with some Honey. Just because these are really good transition shades and it's so good to work with, I'm going to start out with Totally Buggin', this shade down here. It is so pretty. And then go on to the other side. Nothing too perfect. Just putting it all over my lid just to give myself that color and depth. So pretty. And then with the excess, just rubbing it underneath my eyelid. All right, now that that is all set, it's looking really pretty and subtle. There he goes. I'm gonna go help him. Come here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Buzzkill. It's this other shade down here. It's a little bit darker right here. Now I'm gonna go into the super shade and just kind of go in there. The shade is so beautiful. Love it. I'm just gonna deepen it up a little bit in my crease with this darker brownish shade. Really pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a different brush, a smaller one. It's a Sephora one. And then I'm gonna take the Totally Buggin', this one that I started out with, and just take it underneath my eyeball. just like that. Super pretty. And then with the same brush, I'm going to wipe off the excess on this paper towel. I'm going to use Stinger, the shade right up top, and just put it underneath my eyebrow to brighten that up a bit, just like so. And then here comes the fun part. I hope this is straight. I had to move a lot to get Muta. I'm gonna get into my Thirsty palette, my favorite palette of all time, and use the bright blue for my inner corner. And this is just a really quick go-to whenever I'm in a hurry and I want to just enjoy my evening and do whatever else. I might go get some coffee because I'm in dire need of some coffee. So I'm going to dip into some Submerge. And then I'm going to use the Splash next. And I noticed with this makeup look that it makes your eyes like really bigger. Okay, now I'm going to dip into some Splash. It's like this turquoise color. Just to amp it up a bit. Okay, and then now that that is on, I'm going to be going into Divine. It's a silver color right here. Really pretty. And then just dipping it in there for some sparkle. It's really pretty. Okay, now that that is all set, I need to turn this on for my eyelashes. And then I need to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to be using my Benefit Precisely stick. And I'll be right back. Did my eyebrows. And this blue is looking really blunt. I think I put a lot in my inner corner, but we'll see how it looks whenever I add mascara and everything else. So let's just keep going. I'm going to use this Benefit Brow Pencil, and I'm going to be adding some freckles just because naturally I do have freckles and I kind of wanted to test it out with this, following the shape of my actual freckles, which goes all the way up, and it's not really coming up. Maybe I had to like really press in there. Yeah, and I'm just following the shape of my natural freckles. I can see underneath my foundation, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. This just makes it a whole lot easier for me to do, just because I can see underneath of where my natural freckles are. Following it as close as possible. Okay, so there are my freckles. Super cute right now. I'm gonna use this, it should be warmed up by now, for my eyelashes. And why not? I'm just gonna do the underneath eyelashes. All right, and now that that is heated up, I use this Conair for my eyelashes. I'm going to put on my mascara. All right. And I'm going to be using Maybelline Total Temptation today because I like the black for my eyelashes. Oh, mascara to save the day. It looks so cute. I'm loving it. I'm wiping off the excess mascara that I got on my eyelid. Don't mind that. And as for my freckles, I'm going to pat them with a paper towel. I'm not sure if this is how you actually do it, but it's kind of damp. I'm just gonna press it in. It's not so bad. And this is my first time applying the freckles on my face, makeup wise. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it's kind of cute. I think I'll keep it on. What do you guys think? It's always nice to try something new. These are super fresh. Aww, nice little freckles. Alright, so I'm going to set my face and then put my lips on and then I'll be good to go. It's been a success. I'm really liking this look. Okay, as for the lip, I'm going to use my favorite lip liner I got, the Revlon Longwear Lip Wear, color Stay. Super pretty, it's in the berries. Why not? Just gonna use that. And my lip is still cracked in the corner. I'm just gonna ignore that and still put my lip liner on. But yeah, after this, I'm going to join my husband for tuna in a bit. I made it yesterday. We didn't get to it, but it's gonna be for dinner tonight. Some good old tuna. We love seafood, so I line my lips pretty good. Now it's time for some lipstick. I'm gonna use this Estee Lauder one. It is Intense Nude, one of my favorite. Intense Nude. And now it's time for some gloss. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Moon Jelly. This stuff smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this for a while. It's kind of cute. I just put it up to keep it out of my face during my makeup. But this is the finished look for the day. I am absolutely obsessed with the freckles now. Like, I'm getting used to them. It's just natural looking. I like it. And the mascara saved the day with the bright blue in my inner corner. I just wanted to try something fun today. If you would like, please add me on TikTok. You can see my other makeup looks I did, which are really good. I don't know what it is. I just, when I'm not in a hurry, I can do some really cute looks. So go find out for yourself on TikTok. And then you can see me doing embarrassing dances that I still post just because it's fun. Something to do during this time. Yeah, thanks for those of you who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. You'll be seeing more of me soon. And that's it. I guess I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. Bye.